Chapter 6 Triangles, NCERT Exercise 6.2, question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Here what is given? The given statement is ABCD is a trapezium in which these two sides are parallel and the diagonals intersect each other at the point O. So this is a given part. So what we need to prove? The proving result is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This result is one of the important result. Now starts the proof. So first we draw the trapezium. The trapezium name is ABCD. These two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O. So first write what is given. So given ABCD is a trapezium in which the lines AB is parallel to DC. Then write to prove. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So we need one construction. So draw the line EO is parallel to DC. So here take the point E. So draw the line EO which is parallel to DC. These two lines are parallel. So draw EO which is parallel to DC. Now so given is so in this question by construction we have EO is parallel to DC. Also given AB is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC. From these two lines we get EO is parallel to AB. That implies that EO is parallel to AB. Now in a triangle AD, so EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB means ADB triangle. This is a acute triangle. So in the triangle ADB, EO is parallel to AB. These two lines are parallel means so by BBT the ratios DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. So in triangle ABD EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. Therefore, the ratio AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. So either starts with D or starts with A. So starts with D means DE by EA is equal to DO by OB. So starts with A means AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. Anyway we can write. So this is taken as number 1 equation. Now in a triangle ADC, this triangle, so in the triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. This is a construction. Now write, in triangle ADC, the line EO is parallel to DC. Therefore, by BBT, we have AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. These two results came from BBT. Note that it is number 2 equation. Now comparing 1 and 2, left hand sides are equal, AE by ED, here also AE by ED. Therefore automatically right hand sides also equal. BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. So from 1 and 2 we get AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. But our proving result is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Just interchange the numerator as a denominator and this denominator as a numerator. AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. This is our proving result. This can write AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Hence, our result is proved. Thank you.